Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you for coming and watching again. Today is going to be our Birchbox unopening. I love this box. I've been getting it for about a year now. It is $10 a month and there are 5 sample deluxe sizes in this box. It normally has a lot of name brand products. I really like it. It's a good addition to all my subscription boxes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. And it always comes in this box that has the yes on the front. And it's always a pain in the butt to open. I should do this before I film so that I don't have to go through this. But the surprise element is what I'm looking for. Alright, so come undone. Oh, that's pretty. So that's what it looks like when you open it. The box is really pretty. I'm going to keep this box. Look, that's pretty. And then on the back it says magic inside. It feels pretty. You can see it's full. It's like coming apart. That's really pretty. Purple's like my favorite color. I love that. Alright, so open it up. And it says, invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. And then it has everything on the back and a description of it. So, I'm excited. I have no idea. Actually, I did pick one thing in this box. I forgot. Yeah, it's a one thing that you did get to pick. Which one is it that I picked? I didn't pick that. Maybe the one that I picked didn't come. I don't know. Alright, well, anyway. Maybe I picked this. So, I think it was this that I picked. I love their products. Amica, I'm not sure how you say it, but I absolutely love their products. Every time I get one of these, I use it up so quickly. I have the hair mask, I have the face mask, and it is a Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil. Full size is $25. Made with detoxifying, here we go again, detoxifying pink clay and stimulating Myas flower extract. This oil to foam pre-shampoo treatment removes product buildup. Apply to a dry scalp, massage, and then rinse. And it's got a little thing you have to cut off of it to use it. It smells just like any of their other products. It has that, I don't want to say a signature smell, but it does. Really excited about that. I think that is the one that I picked because I love their products. So other than that, I didn't pick anything else that's in this box. Alright, so I'm going to pull the next item, which is, I don't really care when we get this stuff. It is foil packets. There's a lot in there. They're full, but not my favorite to get. However, this is considered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is considered one thing. So it is the Minu, M-I-N-U hair serum for color treated hair. Full size is $26. And the other one is illuminating conditioner, full size $32. And it's the hair serum is a lightweight leave-in treatment. Helps keep color from fading while boosting your strands shine. And then the conditioner infused with protective caper blossom. This conditioner tames tangles, leaves hair soft and silky, and helps keep color vibrant for longer. I mean, I'll try them. It's expensive for a shampoo and conditioner, so maybe it's good, but with my hair, I will get one use out of that. That's it. Maybe 2. It says there are 0.40 fluid ounces in there. And then that one. And that one even less. 0.20 ounces. So, not happy with that one, but oh well. Alright, so the next thing is the same thing. This is, okay, so it's basically the shampoo of that stuff, but in a much larger bottle. Why couldn't they just give us bottles like that? I don't understand that. All right, so this is, I don't even, Davini's, it says down there. I don't know if you can see that. I probably won't focus on it. Davines. Minu, or however you say it, illuminating shampoo for color-treated hair, full size, $28. This eco-friendly shampoo gently cleanses strands without stripping color. As a result, hair is left shiny and refreshed. Plus, the lovely citrus scent can't be beat. $28 for a shampoo, though. I would never spend that. Would you guys spend $28 on a shampoo? Probably not. Oh, it does have a citrus scent to it, though. But they could have given us, I mean, maybe not the hair serum, but they could have given us a full-size conditioner like this to go with it. And this is 2.5 fluid ounces. So, yeah, they could have done that. But anyway, moving on to the next item. And this is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which the cap is popping off, but okay. So, never seen anything like this before. And it says, this works. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Full size, $29. Clinically proven to aid a good night's sleep, the calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray on your pillow right before bed. Full size, $29 to help you sleep. Can't you just like light or do a lavender oil or whatever? It does smell very, like, it smells just like a lavender essential oil. So I'm guessing this is basically the same thing. I definitely wouldn't pay for that, for sure. All right, so next thing, I don't care about this. I'm not very happy with Birchbox this month. This is not a great Birchbox. All right, so this one is another thing that we don't need. Another eyeliner. I've not tried this one, and I don't even know how to say that, and I know I'm going to butcher it. Mana Kadar Cosmetics Idyllic Gel Liner, full size, $19. Formulated for long-lasting, budge-proof wear, this jet black eyeliner glides on effortlessly. Dot the color along your lash line and then fill in to create your desired look. How many eyeliners do you need? I mean, they constantly are sending eyeliners, and I don't think I'm going to get this open on camera because it is very well sealed, and I don't even see a perforated thing to open it up. Yeah, I'm not getting that open. So we all know what an eyeliner looks like. Another black eyeliner. I mean, I'll use it because you can always use them, but not what you want to get in a box. All right, and then the last item is the Beauty Crop Lightning Crew. It is a highlighting cream. Okay. I've heard of the Beauty Crop, but never heard of this. All right, so this is Lightning Crew Highlighting Cream, full size, $12. This highlighter lends a glow to the high points of your face when applied to targeted areas, or an all-over luminous look when mixed with your foundation or face cream. All right, so, oh, this is sealed too. Of course it's sealed. Well, that's good though. I'm not complaining about it being sealed. I just can't get them open. All right, that one wasn't that bad. But I can't get that eyeliner open. There's no way. I'm going to have to get like a razor knife or something to open that up. Oh, not what I expected. Oh my goodness. Wow. And it's pouring out. I like got a big old glob. So that is what it looks like. And then let's see. That's pretty. I usually wear a pinky highlighter, and this is more of a gold, but that's stunning. Like, that's really pretty. Probably gonna mess up my stuff now. Putting it on top of powder. Oh, wow. It definitely makes a difference. That's pretty. Actually, I might give this a try. So, out of the box, the only two things that I really care about, I guess, are these two. So, not a great box this month. I mean, you come across that sometimes. Sometimes, you know, you get a great box, and sometimes you just get a crappy box. And this month, I think, is the crappy box. Hopefully, next month will be good. But we've got the Amica Scalp Cleansing Oil, the highlighter, the hair serum, conditioner, shampoo, and eyeliner. So, what do you guys think? Oh, yeah, and the pillow spray. That's weird. Anyway, what do you guys think of the box this month? Do you think it's worth the $10 to get every month and see what you get in it? I do. I like the surprise element, and it's fun for me. Like I said, it's okay to get a bad box every once in a while, because there are things I'll use. Like, I will use the shampoo and conditioner. I will use the eyeliner. I don't know about the pillow thing. And I will use the highlighter. So, I mean, it's not like a crazy bad box, but not the best either. So anyway, don't forget to leave your comment down below. It really helps me out and helps my channel out. And thank you again for coming and seeing my videos. I've so much appreciate it, you guys. I love you so much for being a part of this journey with me. Anyway, so thank you. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my, I think, Itsby unbagging, which will be tomorrow or the next day it should be. Anyway, have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.